Never throw away dead LEDs. Sometimes household items just need a little attention to shine again. First, we test the bulb. It doesn't turn on. No problem, there's still hope. We carefully open the bulb cover and check the LEDs. And yes, we finally found the burned LED, the main culprit. Now we remove it carefully, slowly and patiently. Because this is an operation room, not a battlefield. Next, we cut the tip of a safety pin with pliers. A simple pin that's about to become a doctor for bulbs. We stick the pin tip onto the tape. And place it where the burned LED was. And the result, the bulb lights up again. See, sometimes a small item can bring light back to a home. If you liked this trick, like the video and share it with your friends. And follow our page for more useful tricks. Thank you for your support.